let's learn how to import our starting project budget spreadsheet on Planyard. Let's say your starting project budget spreadsheet looks like this. We have your cost codes, item names, unit price, quantity, estimated costs, and estimator comments. The budget is structured by categories and subcategories and even sub-subcategories. And for sake of example, I've also added my client payment stages down below. First, go to Planyard and click to create a project. Then, select Import Budget Spreadsheet to download the budget template file. So the file looks like this. So I will copy the starting project budget all at once to this spreadsheet. Now, I need to mark the category level of the cost heads, which are the subcategories, and which are the third level subcategories. So I need to mark the highest level categories with number 1, all the subcategories for this one with number 2, and the sub-subcategories with number 3. So again, number 1, then 2, etc. Now I have copied the client schedule of values in column J, which is the client budget column. You need to have a unit and quantity for those as well. Optionally, we might use the target budget column if we know at the project start that some of the items' market prices have changed. So we can backtrack what we estimated, what was the target when we started the project, and what actually happened once we finished the job. Now the budget is ready to upload. So now, if you go to Planyard, click Start the Project, select the Upload Starting Project Budget option, and upload the budget. So now the budget is uploaded, and you are ready to track your project costs on Planyard in real time.